Abushamu akwa eba too much it. Me sorry the more subscribe my page we. Na for me adom no say me upload bi anso na. Unsa ebetumi aka. Me no eka say 2 videos e pay free. You need be ma Agyekum Francis Akate on social media. Now, in the first video, a reaction one year to one lady on TikTok, I friend MJ Rock My World. Yeah, this lady is also doing well on social media. Also, science when you never ma Agyekum Francis but most of the times, yeah, or chat about Kotiani, and now, sign Yama when a lady will so 80 will come up now. Lady echo life. And obedi come up in an obedi any say. You near ma Agyekum Francis. Nin church na or church no, and shall obey kum Ghana for me. It was a Ghana for you one hopper because in Yamana or church no, one said a nimia or church, what kind of bookumu and our church, all because of say, when him say Agyekum Francis, any hospital or dano, and after so no patient and managing and beji counseling day in and day out until him say, near a branch and a church and a countermount to death.
Pressure Rosa for withdraw na sanye wake on Agyekum Francis. Do you know that most people on blood pressure medication are on diuretic? Do you know what diuretic does? Diuretic wastes fluid from your body. It will catch obia ebia who categorizing no one categorizing who generalizing no who say who pressure who emboja broswa for withdraw. One can say, oh, anti-diuretic. So, see, that is the problem because you don't practice, so you don't know. You do not practice, so you don't know. So, a pressure drone, you can go and read about the pathophysiology, but to diagnose and treat, you have to be really. It's crazy. You guys should talk because Mecca somewhere and you say,
say. There are so many arrhythmias.
Agyekum, I make a response. Now the response, now say uti.
Yebo Agyekum Francis attack afa different form. Na nipa be bradwen course. Me be play Mrs. Ahofo for video na wahwe. Me pato nya abotre na hwe video no pa for your sake. Na video no hwe a me kan asem bi o video mu a kire. Ene yenu be ma ba ko so ye video say fufuo e ma kompo goeta. Na me ntre mo ni nyina na mu hu ba bia attack no afa. The video na play yes is video na mo.
So pressure Rosa for withdraw na sanye wake on Agyekum Francis. Do you know that most people on blood pressure medication are on diuretic? Do you know what diuretic does? Diuretic wastes fluid from your body. It will catch obia ebia who categorizing no one categorizing who generalizing no who say who pressure who emboja broswa for withdraw. One can say, oh, anti-diuretic. So, see, that is the problem because you don't practice, so you don't know. You do not practice, so you don't know. So, a pressure drone, you can go and read about the pathophysiology, but to diagnose and treat, you have to be really. It's crazy. You guys should talk because Mecca somewhere and you say,
say. There are so many arrhythmias.
Yes,
as one share, you taking potassium
and life no koi. Na sister you will be a mepenasem me because of say me medical research in it. Obi away into the medical field biano. I consume their content into mepenasem. So what person who say mepenasem yes sister ba call US and that Joe ne here no. Na don't call. Mepenasem for the back to last born Ezra. Tembia me hwe mo videos omone kakra mo nyina ne baba boy no me ta hwe mo videos nti I found out say sister we ni nua na ye na anadonko nti ma me be pe sister isu asem na sister isu kwampo pe ma asem pa o pe ma asem pa because recently ko be video ana osin kwofo say ne oye slim ebo mi din nyina ye bo a me no madonye kese na ye na me akwa me be comment say she looks so beautiful nti mo onfa adro bia mpo enko kan ni padua because ne ho ye me fe I said it nti onye obi oye very far away. Me ma wahu we no wahu say bibi kwampo na my video na sister ni me nya aduanka obetumi adiem me na nka obisa me consent if I will do a follow-up video to correct some of the things I say kwanka ebeboa na ade ba ko na me ka kire mo ni say ye bo assignment na wade aba no uyi obi na oba na o criticize I mean ka say criticize you me pacho nya abotre na hwe ni yi because what sister yi on one videos you ko comment sections all we say Ghana for attack you. Because Oma try so many ways to get your board down. yɛde afa soro yɛde afa fom yɛde afa asɔfo yɛde afa prophet yɛde afa abosomfo so ɛna be we content creators so recently your brother baako a time bia on the comment on bad the obi e ka say good on say bad me say munim no obeye me ho story bebre man koso so but me ka say nkofo skip breakfast omo person man no pa say me say nipa en skip breakfast man me so because obi a skip breakfast bia ehu the benefit a onya na ye boa na e ka nipa no nya na physically a me nya ho hwe me nya hwe mfrim just to help somebody me pa to no obi da aduro so ti me ka say mo da aduro so ne de breakfast skipping mo nka ho decide pa kon say na odi fufu tunkwa na odi num na dura because what say ebo say skipping breakfast it me botu nyare one thing ene wate aduane odi na no pa obanu madu no so bebre de aduro no ntin yiba nko anopa ai betimi ama no problem ba nei wate na aduane di so na odi anom na duro ene ebo o mo nyina nti ho o me de fa ho so amfa ena na no me se me ko ba bi nti me real quick video no a me kire mu remedy ye ma me mu ne papa mu ene enuru no ne niam na ye nom no e ya adoso enti me hwehwe mu ni me research I don't just come out to talk okay Mr. Video or make emphasis be say because you don't practice your professors no much at the end most of them they don't practice you by about knowledge and wisdom forget it ye niam Ghana for bebre wa bruchira mo practice it but practice now who get in contact do the 1%. Doctors are saying no more surgery now mo ya abrofo no kwa no omuni omo bi ho mo nkwa tipenko before they perform a serious surgical process they sit like a board meeting no ma discuss the condition no we can A na we can B na we can C na we can D enti omo to adwena na omo nyina conclude on one e kire wo say ye omo nyina asu ade ba ko na mo obia wo say de ofa so ti ade ase Mr. Video wo say obi wo ho a or pressure right ena bebre wa akomayare no mo pressure na ebi mu e wo direct so said be ya fluid o mojam no e beba fom osan ko ka say me tramadol me say boys no enye nitrate ne tramadol I don't even remember saying that me na me ye Ghana ni am aba be video say tramadol kwa hu sin cocaine me boa me wo those videos e wo ba bia so me amaka sa asem no me dia be ka say obi nkofa tramadol and obi nkofa red and obi nkofa aphrodisiac I'm the one that always speak against and I give local remedies impo to help people say that be omube jai eno me nkan wa de bia say watermelon containing L-citrulline eno so boa nitric oxide de bia me kan nitric oxide ni am say a dilated the corpora na where the tissue na where be man no mamoja oguro no de bia me ka enti sister I don't know o ma ho kwan so obi na ba ho some the preview so I don't know but the wo ye no me hu ni say o de a chopa e brega for because we didn't throw baby to me so in the video e be tramadol asma me kan I never said that o de ma me chiro wade na ti ase obi wo blood pressure the person hu ni say ni ntin no a constrict enti e pese ntin no mu bie na moja ntimi di mu afusa ne yi blood pressure ntin say moja adoso woni mu ye ntin ne yi enti pressure do na ye de mo na e vasodilators e boa e relax blood vessels na are stiff no ma emu ego kakra nti me video na me ye no wo hwa me kan say so obi da duro so a onkoso na onum na duro no I was so emphatic about that onkoso na onum na duro no ade a me kire nyina ye simple me se body ofa body betim ye ne 9 days manka se ye ne the whole year ye ne 9 days fa body betim na fa watermelon ne chi no watermelon ba ku twem 9 na ye chi no fa nsuo 1 liter this is the person tell me say obi wo pressure onum nsuo ana because I say saa de na me kire e nsuo na diuretic minimum dey diuretic e nsuo free nipam ntino o sen anum nsuo no me say one problem. It's because my sister knows the theory, although she practice, but on the area no one see. When we say obi so pressure, and no so one nsuo. Said that we say obi nsuo. So obi so anum nsuo. No, yes, severely dehydrated. The sodium koso. So the sodium level koso that they see. Vasopressin, a release. Hormone now is minimal the anti-diuretic hormone. A release. That anti-diuretic hormone is something vasopressin. No, a bad they see. A my vessels no air constricted. Esama blood pressure na HT. Unti wo kasa me kire obi se onum nsuo for something no na wa momon hu se wa anum nsuo anka we na eba. Ya mu nsuo ade ni yi o. Obi wo ga na mbu na nimtia se onim hwe o. Tu we kasa tietia na so akọ. Moja na epim nam droben mu. Ye mpese ebetwi wo no kese. Ye betima ma na ntwi kese a se blood volume no ba fom a entwi ni kese. Ana se blood vessel ebie say ya te say wo the hose water car se hose no so a entwi nchen kese anase nsuo na eba no se pressure nim kese a entwi nchen kese two things nti diuretic na ye de manipa no reduce the volume moja no o se moja half ye nsuo nti se ye man nsuo na ewo mu bi ba fom a pressure na enam wenum nurse na atwi nchen. That's number 1. And number 2 ya duru no mo de ama na wasea no maka ho a eboa I dilate ama ntini mu abie na moja na san akwa ensan so ntwi nchen two things. Na eno no kire say obi wo pressure or num nsuo ana. How much of the water tampon bit me akose oni say obi wo pressure one num nsuo glass of water esen ka dey otuminum 8. Ade a me kire me ka say 1 liter. 1 liter any regular glass of water be 250 ml. 250 ml me ni say 500 ml. 4 is 1 liter, 1 liter, right? 1 liter 4 glass 4. Na nipa na also num 8 enye half. The sample si su dia say manipa ni nyina fa ako ennom ne goma. Enti onfa ne se ni nsuo. En eye nsuo so na obi life no na Mrs. Abako be Irish kotomire na o say gara de say obi aka brofo say yes woni ma de ene ne ye nne na o say na potassium crampo na e what those concoctions no e bit mama obi anya arrhythmias na o te arrhythmias na e bit ma boa na nipa na wu instant. I mean bro body anya no ai potassium do say na be lichi aba nsuo no body betem crampo mfa say ye no nyina potassium do say na won say doctor bia ka kire obi ho akomayare sem wonum kube nsuo ni potassium wo kube nsuo enti sa ade na be litre free body na hahan ni mu a ebeba nsuo no mu enti na me stress on ebe boa blood circulation ebe boa realization of the blood vessel no me ka flavonoids organic compounds wo na eno no mpo no nya ne be ma nitric oxide na akosuru mpo enzyme na o producing nitric oxide na owo blood vessel blood line ni mu no ye friend no endothelial nitric oxide synthase sa enzyme no na ye be stimulating your activity no na produce more nitric oxide na ni production no nim say adwene gusu regulate the amount of nitric oxide na you producing enko dilate nipa no ko radio blood pressure that the blood vessel na stiff. How much can you the person me ma demonstration obi hu me ma ho de betima pia pillar ye fie pillar me ntimi pia o because pillar na dey hold it down emu edu esihoye so the amount of nitric oxide na be bi nkwa eye na hia potassium do say na free body ni ma wura nsuo no. From every angle, you guys were on the live and you were wrong and you also insulting, saying all kinds of things about me. I said, Mama, yes, I. The Powasempa, I really watch your videos. I like you. You're a good person. Man, yes, sir. So, being put out also, some medical field for more numbers. Now, there can be a loophole rather a boy can have one way problem. Because if I make a Miss Madia na me, wow, do I no basis to be an. What your problem among because they may no boadom until some be rasta man be a medical staff say that me no be me mama cry person for but say so say ne mama for cry jime to the board for about you say you tiri be church because ye benefit what the wo ye no me bra ba kwa na me kan me say already e wose fufuo e ko se go etai the wose e wo fufuo ewe goitrogens na ewo fufuo mu no ewo banche nso for banche ahun toxin bi wo banche ye friend cyanide na sa cyanide no ye liver no etimi convert cyanide no so the be less harmful na koma e thiocyanate sa thiocyanate no e compete iodine on say goiter compo ade e tade ba pa a lack of iodine e na o higher thyroid gland your gland bi wo heart butterfly no obo produce two hormones be T3 na T4 na eboa metabolism eboa brain develop eboa ne be bre e won faso de nti thyroid won faso de pa na de ba ko a wo use de ni juma de friend the iodine no nti na ohwe ya nchene mbo no nchene salt mbo ne ye free system no na ye di de egu we mu no me pese mebo brand bia won sa nchene na ye di because iodine bi wo na sa thiocyanate na one iodine be compete emma yent me fa enough of the iodine once all children say come on but wo dey ma common sense in chira wo say kuro ma nipa dodo sen dey fufu na nipa dodo sen na wo goita na wo kompo say dey omo kan no kra nipa sen na wo kompo ma me fa nwuram the science is that fufu bi enu hwa yare bayire no bayire mu no ye wi ba yire banche no ba banche mo no white trojans na wo kana e wo banche ni mu no elichi bansuo na ya no an fufuo ni yegu fufuo no ho ansuo ni nyina ekọ banche na da no betim kwa yibi adi hwensi. That is number 1. And from hona enye no kre because my be kan fufuo asan fufuo ya aduan ba kwa ga na ye ohwe me TikTok o ma yi sa video no because on crofo wo tumi wo TikTok no so. And na maka dem say mun come YouTube ye boy Agyekum Francis, mun come Facebook ye boy Agyekum Francis, mun come Instagram ye boy Agyekum Francis, na mun come Twitter ye boy Agyekum Francis. Because TikTok no video am de beto obi a ba na de ko go on focus so e report mun pe no kre se banche no ofa wo nanum kura no owe a cyanide na e poison no liver no be converted to the tyrosinate na eno po na betimi a compete no na eno e compete kura no because nchina ye di na iron ne do so ntini etimi overcome no oni se buronyini nya hu se ye di etisi eso ane amada ndi za buronyini ne ba no be nso obi ton pure water na nso ni sinisi obehwe ni say why are you carrying water on your head. So we are going to not have brutal wa obeka kire nten mo amwa brutal mu nim se burunyi nim se ye mfa akora nche ye chia mutumi di akora hye mo chia na ye hwe mo akora nche wa chi obewu ohuni se wo stress akora no ebe kunu mpo ha sa ni pa ko na twa obu kwa wo sua no ndi sa buku ndi obetire omu ye bo e kan tie burunyi ba na me shafu konkoma ni boy me bo me nkofie ba ire nkofie obeka say I will destroy my waste ye boy you destroy your waste why are you doing this work ba me konkoma ni boy me nim say e kombeti me kumia sensisi yare ntimi kobo me nkofie na manya baire ndize me konkoma ni na me mame de me akosu na me ba na me bekere mame mo a ohu me social media so ade me kan say wo bo nkofie na ba onamu ye na aso na nkotwa wonan tiza wotina buruchire kase ye bo encourage mikrofo se ye mo baire nkofie na oni se baire nkofie se sisi yare oni se baire nkofie na wo so nim se wo free Ghana a kom so kuye ni because buronyi no onim kom nduka yen say come to me di obi a obo nkofie no wanya bayira didi a onje ndi because they go to the grocery store to buy food. Uma yenti nyama asi o mutu kwan a enkyerese nyansa nyina gu utimo ha oka brofo a enkyerese nyansa nyina gu utimo like video na share obi
yo ebusia eti wey na echoes between yeni abema Agyekum Francis and MJ Rock My World on TikTok, and I think say this is not an interesting thing because from all looks, someone say this lady or TikTok no so no I want the content are all creative for some years now. I me can say or they trying to na no. Recently, you know, this medical in man so I think say ni nyina so no baako because I journey any baako 14. But now the problem man for can say I didn't think I will create content. Na obo obi din e dey build wo content and I will use obi blog e dey see wo die. Yeah, so our content anything I won't condemn what there. Name who condemn will be content. It's because of fear and also knowing say you are not relevant in the system. You know, the only way to attract is to condemn somebody who is doing better than you or somebody who is doing something that is receiving more attention than yours. But everything being equal, I am of the view say they are all good and they are doing what they know they can do best, and they are all doing what they have been taught or what they have learned. It's in a way from say, Obeka say, Obi dear no ebe kumobi, but who dear no enkumobi. Agyekum Francis have big reaction. Though Amafobi are the view say, who here sells anchor or so so because a social media game. This is where it has gone into. I know say there's going to be a part 2 of this. Maybe talking sooner. Seek message help so message them was say who will comment on me comment section me. Some who house for GNC me na free them subscribe my page na me adomano so me say na me upload bi answer na unsa ebeti makra.